tell me about Balataka?
Ballataka botanical name Semicarpus anacardium, family Anacardiaceae. Its synonyms are Agnimukhi and Geru. Its Rasapanchaka Rasa Madura Katu Kashaya. Its gunas are Lagu, Tikshna and Snigdha guna. Its Vipaka is Madura Vipaka, Ushna Virya, and its karma are Kafona Rogastina Vibandasti Kaschanat. Its Rogagnata are Arshas, Kushta, Shofa, Krimi, Aruchi, Daha. Its Amaika Prayoga, in case of Arshas, it is used with buttermilk. Ballataka is used with ghee, Triphala and Nimba in case of Kushta. Ballatakadi Taila is administered internally or as given as Basti in case of Krimi. And its yogas are Ballataka Avaleha, Ballataka Churna, Ballatakadi Taila, Ballatakadi Girta, and Ballatakadi Modaka. Its dosage is in case of Taila 10 to 20